happy World Environmental Day. The World Environmental Day is celebrated to create awareness on the importance of our environment. Every year, the World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. The World Environment Day is also celebrated to create the environmental problems, issues caused due to air pollution, global warming, deforestation, and so on. The first World Environmental Day was celebrated on June 5th, 1973. The theme of the World Environmental Day of 2024 is Land Restoration, Desertification, Drought Resilience. It is our responsibility to protect our environment from air pollution and global warming. Let us take a pledge that we will save our environment and clean the environment for the future generation. Thank you.